if that is about a particular string, and if every element in S, I can just print the elements. What I can do further is I can also say, I also, if I want to go, so this is about using a for, and then, I can print all this thing. Now, what if I tell you I want to print all the alternate elements inside a string? It is difficult to use it with this for currently because I haven't taught you one operator called a slicing operator, but you can do it with this for. How can you do it? Let's say, I'll go back to that. In this particular for I in range len of S, instead of len of S, I'm gonna say, len of S is fine. Start from 0, go up till len of S. But instead of taking steps of 1, take steps of 2. Take steps of 2, and then print your I in S of I. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. HLO, WRE. Alright? This is about a particular string that is being done. Okay, so this is about the built-in functions. So we just discussed the built-in functions that can be used on strings, or those built-in functions which take string as part of the argument. But now I want to deal with something else. I want to deal what are the methods that can be used by the string object, string methods. Like S is an object of type string. It can use methods of the str class. Okay, by using the dot operator. So S dot. You can always have an S dot. Okay, you can use any of these methods as you can see over here. So let's say if I say S dot count, and if I pass L in count, it says there are 3 L's in count. Is it so? Hello world, yes, 1, 2, and 3, he's right. There are 3 L's in count, there are 3 L's in hello world, or in the string. I can also do s.count. If I say capital H, it will say 1. If I take a word which is not there, let's say s.count A, we'll say 0. Alright, there are 0 letters in the particular string. Let me go for another method. S dot. Okay, S dot. If I can do something like S dot index. If I say index of, I want of W. I want the index of W. What is index of W? Is that so? Is it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Yeah. So W index is 6, but what if I ask index of L? Which index will it give me? Because there are 3 L's. Oh, it will give me the first index. That means it will give me when my L occurs first time. Right? Okay, so that's about using the string methods, that is index, count. And we saw these 2 methods. Let's see if there are any more methods that we can use. Let's say S dot. Can I say it is alphabets only? Is it alphabets only? I want to check. S dot is alpha. Is alpha. It says false. Why false? Why false? Because of this space. Is a space an alphabet? No. So it is false. Okay, is there any alphabets and numbers? S dot is al-num. Alphabets and numbers. What does it say? No, it says false. It's not about just alphabets and numbers. There are more than that. There's something more than that. S dot what? Okay, S dot. Let me see if, okay, I can just check. For now, let me just call S is equal to just hello. And then if I check S dot is alnum, it will say true. Yes, it consists of alphabets and numbers only. Even if there are no numbers, it will consist of alphabets. If I say S dot is alpha, it will say that it's also true. So it is alphabets only. There is no space in it. Right? These are a few things that you're used to check when you are required check, right? Now, let's say S dot. I can use some other methods like, okay, I just want to make all the elements as lower in S. S dot lower. So what is S? What is the new string that returned? Hello with H small. The S was actually capital H hello. S did not change but returned a new string with H as small. What if I make S dot, instead of saying lower, let me say upper. If I say upper, all the letters which are there in S will come in uppercase, right? Okay, we'll just see a few methods. Let's say we'll use a format method now. S dot is format.